This is a little part of Somalia in the heart of the Kenyan capital, now living in fear of revenge attacks by those who blame them for the mall massacre.
What are the worries about security here?
People are worried about people coming and looting their businesses, and they're also worried about the authorities coming and doing a crackdown on Somalis. Basically, when things like this happen, the Somalis are the victims. Most Somalis in islii are aliens, and what normally happens is any incident like this triggers a crackdown, and that's the worry.
The poverty and unemployment here means Islii is fertile recruiting ground for Al-Shabaab. Many young men will have been approached to join, and some will have been persuaded. Those who have glimpsed inside the terror organisation and witnessed the brutality are terrified of being hunted down for leaving and speaking out.
Tell me what you're scared about.
What I am afraid of is that Al-Shabaab are beasts, they are not human beings. So if they see my face, they will try to, in any way, to identify me and look after me and try to kill me. I've seen so many friends of mine who have been killed by the Al-Shabaab.
Farah Atosh has countless friends who've been recruited or approached by Al-Shabaab. And at only 25, he's determined to counter the terror group's propaganda.
We are against them. We are not supporting them. You might have seen or you might hear some people saying Al-Shabaab cannot be able or will not be able to carry out those attacks without of the support of the Somali diaspora. That is, to be honest, false information.
So many people you see here have fled Somalia, hoping they'd find sanctuary.
The irony is, many of these people who fled from Al-Shabaab, the terrorist organisation which is based in Somalia, are now being persecuted, targeted or pinpointed as possible terrorists here in Kenya.
No wonder then that those who've created new lives in Kenya want Al-Shabaab hounded out.
I would like to go to Somalia, but till the Al-Shabaab are here in Somalia, I don't want to go back.
Till they've been driven out.
They are destroyed Somali people and the other world. Because they don't like Somali, they don't like other Christians, they don't like everybody. They like only themselves. So, Al-Shabaab, they are cancer in the world.
The Westgate mall attack has made this area a whole lot more unstable, but also unsettled countries far beyond Kenya's borders. Alex Crawford, Sky News, Nairobi.